Hello everybody, Lily here, and today I am alone, and basically that means I'm going to tell you my November favorite. So let's start. My favorite thing this November really has to be this kind of scarf. It's so comfortable and it's really a good thing to have at winter because it's so fucking cold. It's so easy. You just take it on in the morning, and I have to cycle to the bus stop. I wait in the bus, and then when you come to school, you just take it off, put it in your bag, and take it again home or something. It's that simple, and it's really a good thing you can do because you don't need to freeze that much. And also, I finally got my winter jacket, so I really enjoy that too. I don't have to freeze as much anymore, and I just like the look of it. It's really pretty, and I like it. My second favorite thing this November isn't really a November favorite. This is a got it yesterday basically, and it was December yesterday, but we're still going to show it to you because it's an amazing thing to have in December. And I want to have that in November too. It's this candle that smells. It's frosted cranberry, and I just love the stencil love on it. And it's from a merch. I don't remember which one exactly, but I'll try to find out, and if I find out, it will down here and down in the description box. My third favorite thing this November has to be this shampoo and conditioner that I have. It is the Matrix Biolate Hydro Salts conditioner, and my hair has just been so soft, and the only thing I've been doing different is this, so it has to be this, and I just love it because of it. My fourth favorite thing this November will probably be these lights that I got. I got them in the Netherlands, which is basically why I can't really show you where you can buy them. I'm really sorry about that, but they are just so cute. It's like a flower kind of thing, but with lights, and I would love to have them hanging in the room. I can't have them hanging here yet because I'm not finished all with decorating my room. So, but that will come, and I bought them in November, and I love them. My fifth thing has to be two apps. One app that's a game. It's called Best Fiends, and it's amazing because it's like a game where you connect colors with each other, attack, and you have achievements. You need so many red, so many blue, and I really got the game from PewDiePie, from one of his Broken podcast, which is a podcast he does with Cinnamon Toast Ken, and I really loved it since. Another app is one that I also got from YouTube. I think it was Twice On, but it's called The Hunt, and it's amazing. If you could have Tumblr, example, and you see like a clothes piece, and you're like, I really want that, but you don't know where to get it. You can upload a picture from within the Hunt. You can say, well, it should be between $12 and $60. Something like that, and it has to be exactly this or similar to this, and then people in the community will just go looking for it, looking if they can find it, and of course sometimes people can't find it, and it's really sad, but I have had things that I've wanted for a year now, and I found it, and I'm so happy that I found it. that were my November favorites. Tell me yours. Comment down below and tell me yours if you want to, and feel free to leave a like on this video if you liked it. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!